when we're invited out to a party, quite often my wife will make a cheese dip and we'll bring a bread bowl and some bread. And about a year ago, I started making my own bread. I have this really simple bread recipe that I want to share with you. People always ask me about it. It's super simple. It's going to be the simplest bread you ever make. Okay, so all you're going to need is a mixing bowl. If you got one with a lid, perfect. Wooden spoon. And then it's super simple. I've nicknamed this my fives recipe, just so it's easy for me to remember. But what you're going to do is you're going to take 5 grams of table salt, about 3/4 of a teaspoon. 5 grams of sugar, about a teaspoon. 5 grams of yeast. I just use a quick rise yeast. You can use whatever yeast you want. 5 grams of yeast is about a half a tablespoon. 375 milliliters of warm water, about 40 degrees. That is, I think, a cup and a half, a little over a cup and a half if you're using imperial cups, where your cup is an ounce, which is 237 milliliters, which is 375 milliliters. 375 grams, same thing, of water, warm water, 40 degrees, bath water. Mix those things into your bowl. Give it a stir. Wait about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes or so later, you're going to see that this foam develops from the yeast. Your yeast is active. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our flour, just dump it all in. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to mix it up. Okay, you're going to stir it, no kneading, until you get a dough that's a little sticky like this. So I'm going to form it into what kind of looks like a little bit of a ball, like this. All right, we're going to put the cover on like that. We're going to put it in a warm place, such as an oven with a light on. And we're going to put it in there for 1 hour. So I forgot to turn on my recording, but after you're going to pull it out, it's going to have doubled in size. Then all you're going to do is you're going to take your wooden spoon, you're going to turn it back into a ball. You're going to punch out the air, turn it back into a ball like this, and back in your oven with the light on for 1 hour. Okay, second rise is done. That's what it looks like. We are now preheating our oven to 250 Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit. I've got my terracotta casserole dish in there. Any kind of covered dish you have. If you want to do a bread bowl, use a round Dutch oven or a round pot. Just as long as something that you're going to cover with. All right. Most labor-intensive part of the whole process is you want to take a little bit of flour and a piece of parchment paper, and you're just going to dust the parchment paper. Work around the side of this pan, the bowl here, to loosen it. Be careful. You want to keep it as airy as possible. The less you're interfering with the dough, the better. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this upside down, but we're just going to use the spatula to get the dough out like this. I'm going to turn it this way. You guys can't see for a second here. Now, if you had like a plastic container, it'll probably release on its own because it sticks more to the metal. Okay, I released it in more of a loaf pattern shape rather than round because I'm going to put this into a loaf. Now I'm just going to use my parchment paper to just kind of gently roll it back and forth until you get what looks like a loaf of bread right there. Okay, preheat's done. So now we're going to work quickly. All right. We are going to put the bread into this casserole dish, parchment paper and all. Lid back on. There. Half-hour timer. See you in half an hour. 30 minutes are up. Timer just went. All right. Take the bread out, but it's gonna go back in for 5 minutes. So here's our bread. We're gonna put it in for 5 more minutes just on its own. Here you go. See you in 5. There you go. Beautiful artisan bread. It's gonna be nice and fluffy. Gonna put it down. We're gonna let it sit for a bit to cool down, but it's gonna be nice and crispy. There, for supper we had some spaghetti, and that's what the bread looks like. Fantastic. Go make it.